The official word is that North Korea's second most powerful person, Jang Song-taek, was put to death for treason by his nephew Kim Jong-un. More specifically, as stated by the country's news agency, Jang brought together undesirable forces and formed a faction, and thus committed such hideous crime as attempting to overthrow the state. Many people aren't buying that, and have since developed some theories of their own. Some speculate that the execution was set into motion after Jang only gave a half-hearted applause following the announcement that Kim had been made the country's central military vice chairman. Jang's failure to show a more spirited reaction could well have been interpreted as a sign of disrespect and served as a catalyst for Kim's anger and eventual retaliation. Another explanation circulating is that Kim simply wanted to send a very strong message that no one is safe from punishment should they attempt to cross or undermine him. It's also been suggested that the act was one of desperation rather than dominance and could be a sign of a regime in chaos and on the brink of collapse.